Okay guys, so what we're fixing today is the 2010 GMC Acadia, and the complaint was that this headlight, the low beam, wasn't working before. I took the headlight out because I didn't have a good wiring diagram, and then I found the wiring diagram and I checked for power right here on this tan and white wire, and I had power here, and I had the ground on the black wire. And I made sure I did my continuity test on these wires, and right here the bulb was new, it was replaced, okay, but there's this module right here that goes bad, okay, and this module went bad. The reason why I determined that is because I checked those two pins and I had power and ground on those two pins, okay, but I had nothing on this connector, so that's why this is no good. And then I put this is, and then I swapped these modules from both sides, so that headlight was working, so I swapped it. So this is basically gonna work right now. This is the old module, it will have to be replaced, okay, but this one is working right now. So I'm gonna go and turn the ignition on, okay, turn the headlights on, okay, you see it lights up, and then high beams right there, so it's perfect, okay. So I'm gonna shut this off. So if you're having the same thing, you can swap the modules from both sides if you want. Okay, now we're just okay, so as you can see, to remove the headlight assembly on this truck, you don't have to pull the bumper, just a little bit of the bumper, it's gonna come out, okay. Okay, that's it, we put everything back. I'm gonna probably go get the new light. Okay, perfect. Okay, that works. That works. So we're just waiting on the ballast for this thing, and then this light is going to be working. Brand new. Very good. So we have this off. Maybe if we can open it. Okay. I'm gonna show people what I'm doing here. Well, there's the module. It just plugs in. And yeah, there's two Torx bolts holding it. Thank you. Now I can just put this back. Before I put this back, let's turn on the headlights, see if they work. So this one wasn't working before. Let's see if they work. Look at that. Lights up. High beams. This one, go high beams. There you go. Nice. Perfect. So now we just have to put these bolts, the screws back, and that's it.